There's a lot of rain this year. Heavy rain almost every day. Look, the lake in front of my house is flooding. Just outside of my house is flooding. The street is flooding. My house become a small island surrounded by flood water. Look, my children, nieces and nephews enjoy having fun swimming in this flooding river, flooding area chaperoned by me and Michelle Obama. I'm going to put these fish traps, all fish trap. Let's see what I'm going to get tomorrow. I don't want to get anything, just put fish trap for fun. No wishes to get fish, frog, snail, or even snake. So my purpose to put this fish trap just for fun. If anything got caught tomorrow or next day inside the fish trap, I am sorry. Not my fault. I am sorry if you got caught. Now I'm going to check my fish trap that I put from yesterday. Please follow me to see what will I get in this fish trap. Fish, snail, crab, or something else. Follow me, my friends. Oh my God, I have seen something move very powerful in this old fish trap. So big. Let me check what got caught inside this fish trap. Maybe the giant frog or giant catfish. Oh my goodness, it's not giant frog or giant catfish. It's huge giant python, a snake called giant python. I don't know why this giant python got trapped, got stuck in my old fish trap. Let's see how big it is. Okay. Oh my goodness, my flip-flop stuck in the mud. This is an old flip-flop was stuck in the mud and broken. I'm going to fix my flip-flop first before I am going to carry this giant python to show you how big it is. Okay, please follow me to the end. You will see what happened to this giant snake or giant python. And followers, this is huge snake, a huge python, very heavy. I can tell this giant python weigh between 5 to 6 kilograms because it's very heavy. It's one of the big giants I have ever caught in my life. Oh my goodness. See what I'm going to do with these giant pythons. Would you like to give me some suggestion? Please comment, share, and subscribe for me. What I'm going to do with these giant pythons. I'm not going to sell this giant python for the money. I don't need the money. I put this old fish trap just for fun. Very unlucky. This python got stuck in my old fish trap. So I'm not going to sell, I'm not going to kill these giant pythons. I love life, life beautiful to all. I have to respect human life, animal life, life so important. So I'm going to do releasing this snake back into the bush, maybe back into the lake, or bring the giant python to release inside the animal rescue center or the wildlife safe center or national park. Please follow me to see what I'm going to do with this giant python. Friends, this giant python stuck around my hand, wrapped around my hand. Oh, my right hand was wrapped very heavy by this powerful, strong python. Oh, difficult to get the python from the fish trap and put into the bag in order to bring it safely, secretly into the national park. Oh my God, please help me. I don't want to kill you, Mr. Python. Don't worry. Be happy. I am not going to hurt you. I am not going to harm you. I am just going to bring you into the bush, to the national park. I know you want to see your family. You want to reunite with your friends. So don't worry, I will help you save your life peacefully and happily. I am using
in my
my right hand to catch the head of the python strongly right at the neck, and then my left hand to hold the tail of the python. So when the head is being caught and the tail being caught, the python cannot move quickly. See? Yes, I feel like a snake saver. I like to save the life of the animal being. This is not the first time I have saved the life of the snake, python, or other small snakes, even turtles. A few years ago, before COVID, I have bought the snake from my neighbors for $10, and then I released this snake back into the wild because my neighbor always lost the chicken. Every day his chicken is lost, so he doesn't know what happened, why chicken lost. And one morning he saw the python eat the chicken, and he caught the python, and I said, do not kill the python, give it to me, I will give you $10. And then he said, okay. I gave him $10. I bring the snake to the bush. So this is the snake that caught into my fish trap. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to release into the national park for the future generation. Back and tie up very strongly. I am already put my helmet and wearing the arsenal shirt. Are you ready to follow me? Seeing how I release the python into the wild. Are you ready? Are you scaring of the snake? So this journey to the national park, I'm going to bring my daughters, Marina and Marika, with me to show them how to live with nature, how to love nature. Do not killing any living beings, including monkeys, snake, tiger, or elephant. I'm going to show you the power of love, the kindness toward the living beings. Animal beings normally don't attack the human being. They just want to live happy and peace in the bush, in the lake by ourselves. But humans sometimes no good, bad, want to hunt, want to kill a snake. So are you ready? Follow me. I am on this adventure to release the snake. Honda Dream with my two daughters behind me and snake in the back in front of me. Driving to Angkor National Park for releasing this snake into the wild. I won't let anybody know that I'm going to release the snake back into the wild.